Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain, and for today's two different looks I pulled out a quad, a Blitz Astral quad from Pat McGrath. And I just wanted to show you that you don't have to pull out another palette when doing a look with a quad, and not even with the Astral quads. You can actually work with them and blend them out, and yeah, well, you'll see that if you hang in here. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, please hang in there and I will show you. So if you like this video, I was just about to say palette, but if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And lastly, of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm gonna start by showing you the palette. Iconic Illumination, here it is. I'm gonna start by using the lightest shadow in the palette as a highlighter under my brows here. Dipped into the darkest color, and I'm gonna put that here in the outer corner. It is a very beautiful, dark, cool brown shadow. This is a Blitz Astral quad, but we can still make it work. Using the same brush, I did not put anything extra on it. I'm just moving the shadow a little bit using tapping motions. I don't want to drag my skin too much. And by the way, this is the, let me see here, I keep forgetting what it's called. It's the Builder Pro from Sonia G. To me, it's a multitasker, this brush. I really love it and highly recommend it. I'm now gonna put a little bit in the inner corner of my crease here, inner part of my crease, with what's left on the brush. And as you can see, that's not a lot, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna blend it upwards here in circular motions. Brushed off the color from the brush in my makeup eraser and dipped into the more golden shade. I'm gonna use that here on my mobile eyelid. It's going to be a fairly simple but effectful look, as you can see. Since, after all, it is a Blitz quad, it's hard to make it super natural when we have all this shimmer and shine going on. I'm just going to blend that up a little bit here into the brown. Like so. I put a little bit of the L7 concealer under my eye to be used as a base and also to lighten up my eye area. I'm now going to look down to pick up a little bit of the red color on my reference number 3, and I'm going to use that as an eyeliner under the eye. It's a reddish burgundy color. It's really pretty. I'm gonna need a little bit more. Dipped into the same color. And I'm just bringing it up here and into the inner corner here. I have a small mirror I'm looking into to see what I'm doing. And then I'm just blending it out a little bit here. And of course, well, for me, of course, this called for a black liner, a liquid liner, and I'm gonna follow my eye shape as always. And then I'm gonna stay in the outer half of the eye here. I just wanna kind of like enhance the shape of my eye and make my lashes look a little bit fuller. But hey, I'm gonna put on some false lashes anyway, but yeah. I did a little tight lining and put on a little bit of mascara. I use a Dark Star from Pat McGrath. I don't put on a lot of mascara when I'm using falsies because I want my own eyelashes to really mix in with the eyelashes. And I prefer lighter eyelashes that are a little bit fluttery. I'm now going to do an inner corner highlight here. I'm just using the lightest color with my Refer number 3, the pencil brush, like so. I'm now going to go off cam and put on some false lashes. Here you see the look with some false lashes on. You can go in and blend out the border a little bit more, so it's a little less harsh. And I'm going to do that now. I'm going to use a Pat McGrath brush I got in a kit. And I'm just going to, nothing on the brush, I'm just going to go back and forth and then up and a little bit circular here. So I blend it out so it's not so harsh. Now, let's go on and do some makeup on the other eye. With the next eye here, I'm going to start like I did with the first eye, and that is with a little bit of the highlighter. I'm going to use it on my brow bone under my outer part of my brow here. I dipped into the burgundy red color and I'm going to place that here in the outer corner. And I'm just tapping it on like so. And then I'm going upwards a little bit here. And then I'm going into the inner corner with what's left here. I'm gonna need more, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm gonna need a little bit more. Dipped into the same color. And because I have this fold here, I'm just gonna put the color on here to kind of like make it go inwards, because when you put a dark color on something, it's gonna create a shadow, the illusion of things being pushed back. And I'm just tapping it on still. And I'm keeping the inner part naked for now on my mobile lid. Well, naked, that sounds weird, but you know what I mean. So now I'm just gonna work with the color I already put on. And as you might see, now that I'm blending it out a little bit, it gets less red and a little bit more burgundy. I'm gonna brush off the color a little bit and get back. With nothing on my brush, I'm just gonna blend the edges here. And also inside here on the inner part and up to the middle. I have quite a lot of real estate here between my eye and my eyebrow. Not everyone has that, and of course if you don't have that, then you shouldn't go and put as much makeup on as I do here, because that will look a little bit odd and very painted. On the middle part, I'm gonna put on the gold color. I'm just mixing it into the red here. going a little bit upwards. With my ring finger, I dipped into the lightest color, and I'm just gonna put some extra sparkle here on the middle of the eyelid and just blend it up a little bit, like so. Put on a little bit of concealer to lighten up the eye area and also to be used as a base for my under eye makeup. I went into the red color with my pencil brush from Reference number 3, and I'm gonna mimic what I did on top here. So I'm just putting the red on the outer and the inner corner here and leaving a blank space on the middle. In the middle, I'm gonna put some of the gold color. Then I'm gonna do an inner corner highlight. And with the rest, I'm just gonna put it on here. I also feel like this eyeshadow look needs an eyeliner, so I'm gonna turn my head a little bit and I'm gonna do the black liquid eyeliner here. Back with a little bit of mascara on and a little bit of tight lining. I'm now going to go off cam and put on some lashes. This is the finished look with some lashes on. I'm now going to scoot to one side here so you can see both eyes with the two different looks. I'm now going to go off cam and put on a full face of makeup so you can see what it looks like when it's finished. This is it. This is the finished look with a full face of makeup. On my cheeks, I put on the Divine Blush in the color Electric Bloom, and on my lips, I put on the Lost Gloss in the color Blood 2 to match it with the eyes. As you can see, it is very possible to make a whole look with only one quad, even though it's a Blitz Astral quad. So now I'm gonna put on some glasses so you can see what it looks like with glasses on. And this is it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, all that is left for me is to say that I thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch this video. And I hope you'll have an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.